guys, welcome back to my vlog. Right now we have no particular idea where exactly we are going, but it's just a stroll through the streets of Chiang Mai. So I'm just gonna have no particular certain agenda for this, but rather just walk and see what we kind of find here, right? So yeah, that's the whole goal of this, guys. It's here, guys. Oh yeah, probably I gotta walk on the footpath, but there ain't any footpath here. So yeah, there's no agenda for this vlog, guys. So we just wanna kind of explore by walking and see what's out there, and that's where you get the best video, right? So you don't know what you're exactly kind of expecting, and then kind of strolling through the streets. And yeah, this is what it is, a day in Chiang Mai. Have some coconut. Very good. They are selling coconuts for like crazy prices here, man. Pretty cheap. Guys, I got my coconut just for 25 baht. It's crazy, man. You don't find these kind of beads anywhere. Guys, this is mostly like a local market slash area where you're getting a lot of stuff for discounted price. So how can I give you guys the the landmark of this location, right? It's quite difficult for me to kind of show, difficult for me to show you where exactly this is, but even the street name I'm actually not able to read, guys. It's so local that everything is written in Thai. So maybe I can give you a reference of a hotel where I'm currently staying. It is V Briza. So V Briza again, right? So you kind of can come over there and kind of walk through the streets of wherever one of the street this is, right? And people are kind of looking at me like I'm a alien at this moment, because I don't think this area has a lot of tourists, or have seen tourists, right? First of all, Chiang Mai is pretty low-key when it comes to the tourists, but right now in the mainland area they do have a lot of tourists, guys. But yeah, just showing you guys through. It's very local, like, and this is something which I actually like also, like, kind of exploring the authentic place of wherever you land, right? So I actually wanted to do, and I think in Bangkok at least I know I've gone through a lot of areas to kind of explore and understand the actual local cuisines, talk to people, understand the culture, right? So that's something which I've been missing since quite a long time, ever since I again came back to Thailand, right? But right now I feel like I'm going back to the roots again, and kind of seeing the nature and the kind of local love that has been shown. There you go, the chicken. Oh my. I actually wanted to try that fried chicken, but then last night I had fried chicken, so I can't have that, but rather I'll try out something else, right? Yeah, why just stick to fried chicken? And yeah, fried chicken is really good, guys. You definitely need to try it out. I've come to have a caramel mocha here, and then coconut cake. So yeah, see you all soon. So guys, I kind of got into a mini store. It's a local mini store, and everything is sort of cheap here. Wow. cheaper than 7-Eleven. Oh, never expected. This is like $2.29. Wow. This is basically a ironing table for $2.29. Pet pee pad, $3.20. Crazy. Guys, these are all the hidden stuff that you're seeing. Hidden gems. I'm gonna probably start another, a whole new series called Hidden Gems. Let me know what you all think in the comment section. Incense stick. The lock you're getting for $150 here. Guys, so I got a couple of stuffs from there. It is damn cheap. Like, can you imagine? It is cheaper than 7-Eleven. So yeah, I got a couple of stuffs. Nothing big or fancy, but yeah, I kind of thought that that's something which I wouldn't get anywhere else. So I just got a couple of stuffs from there. And I do see these kind of local shops everywhere in Chiang Mai, because I think mostly locals, they don't go to 7-Eleven. Yeah, they do go, but they kind of prefer other local store, right? Like we call it cold store in Middle East. So something of that sort they have here as well. So yeah, it's pretty good. The weather is a little bit calmer now. It's not drizzling or raining. So yeah, I'm just walking through the streets again, and I see a couple of markets like forward, so probably I'll kind of show you guys that as well. More stores here, guys. I think I kind of know where I wanna settle here. Okay, I'm not gonna settle here in Chiang Mai, but I'm just saying, like, the kind of places that I've been so far.